Guys, here are the three best things about this 4-pack of TN760 replacement toner cartridges, okay? First, you get a massive stack of prints for dirt cheap, okay? Each of these high yield cartridges cranks out up to 3,000 pages, meaning the whole 4-pack gives you around 12,000 total pages. If you're running a home office or small business, you can print invoices, shipping labels, and reports from months on end without constantly having to reorder, right? Second, they feature upgraded chips for instant plug-and-play setup. You don't have to pry the old chips off your used cartridges or deal with, annoying toner not recognized errors on your screen. Just open the box, pop the cartridge into your brother printer, and it gets recognized immediately. So, you can get back to printing, all right? And finally, you get crisp, professional text without paying, those name brand prices, right? These cartridges produce dark, sharp lettering that looks great on client documents and, official paperwork. But you get to do all that for a fraction of what, other high-end toners might cost, right? Plus, with the 2-year warranty included, you can stock up with zero worry, okay? So, guys, if you have a compatible brother monochrome printer and want to drop your costs or your printing costs down to low without sacrificing quality, this 4-pack is an easy win on Amazon. Peace, y'all.